What's up, traders? Hope you're all doing well. So yeah, is the video as requested. Guys, this is for all the Nasdaq traders. If you are trading Nasdaq, watch this video. Watch it till the end. A lot of key secrets will be shared here. So what we will be focusing on is how to draw a trend line and how to trade according to the trend line and with the trend. So guys, important things to know is use a broker with a raw spread for better entries. If you're using MetaTrader to do analysis, it's the wrong way to do it. Rather use TradingView. Other option is trade with a broker that uses the platform CTrader. Otherwise, TradingView. Never do analysis on MetaTrader. Reasonable explanation for this is a lot of price manipulation happens on MetaTrader, and I think a lot of you can be witnesses to this. So also take in consideration, Nasdaq is very sensitive to news related to tech companies. So always be up to date on tech stock news, such as earning reports, new products, new projects, and breaking news. So the other key thing I find important is never short Nasdaq. Only look for opportunities to go long. So without further ado, let's jump into it. That's just a quick disclaimer. This is something you need to understand and you need to read it. I am not a financial advisor. All educational content is my view and how I see it. So yeah, let's get on with it. And how to draw a trend line. You need to find your swing high and swing low points to connect a trend line. So always do this on a daily time frame, especially with Nasdaq, guys. Especially with Nasdaq. So what you will want to do is find your key support of key swing highs and swing lows, and plot your trend lines. So we can see clearly we got, and a trend line is normally connected by two or more touches, guys. Two or more touches. So we clearly see we got one touch here and another touch here. They touch and they break away. So this is how you connect your trend line. So we know that Nasdaq is a bullish trend. We all know it. Nasdaq used to go higher and higher. So after you have connected your swing high and swing low points, guys, make sure you do it the correct way. Look for most recent swing high and swing low points and watch your lines. Always remember, it takes more than two touches to confirm a trend line, guys. It takes more than two touches to confirm a trend line. So now that we got our trend line, we got our bias, we know what we are looking for, we know what to look for basically in further trades. You can say a clear uptrend, and recent information about the trend lines shows us that we are currently at a swing high formation at a key point of the the trend line. So I plotted my trend line at the drop of the previous candle right here, and then again I connected it with two wicks basically forming there. So we all know once you get a 2 touch, there's normally a spike up. So we got our 1 touch and our 2 touch. Our 2 touch, say 2 touch, price will always, they'll always break out to the upside, or once they break to the downside, you wait for a retest at your previous resistance line, but we'll get into that. So after you got all this, guys, I need you to jump to a lower time frame. Let's say 1 hour time frame. Okay, so now that we are on a lower time frame, we know what we are looking for now. We're looking for positions to short the market. Although I said in the beginning, look only for buying opportunities, but you can take the risk of shorting Nasdaq. It's just very risky. Sorry about this now, guys. It's very risky to trade Nasdaq by shorting it basically. I prefer only taking long positions and holding, guys. So finding your key levels in Nasdaq, I want you to put this on your chart. At every, okay, how am I gonna explain? I'm gonna put this quickly on the screen. Just hang on quickly, guys. Let me just get a text here to put and show you guys. Sorry, but this is a very powerful tip basically to say it like that. You can see this as trade levels, guys. Trade levels, to place trades and to take entries basically. So guys, you will just type this. I know where you wanna go. Don't lie, I can see the sun. One small is and the night is done. So, guys, if you look at the screen, you will see I placed a number, hash 50.00. So, guys, once you got your trend line and all those goodies, I need you to place these lines as well, so that it looks like this. And we're getting more into detail about this, guys. So these levels are key trade levels, guys. You are either buying or selling from these levels, not in the middle or anything, at these levels. So this is where you wait for a breakout and a retest, but we will get into that more. Okay, so now we know that we are in an uptrend. There's a lot of confirmations for us showing that, okay, we are in an uptrend again. So knowing your levels, your key entry points. Once you find a setup, you scroll down to your lower time frame to place entries. So we can clearly see, yeah, we are in an uptrend. Let me just remove this quickly. We can clearly see that we are in an uptrend, guys. It's an uptrend. We all can see that. So, knowing that we are in an uptrend, once you see they break out, you wait for a retest at this level. After the retest, you are looking for buying opportunities. As you can see. Look how Nasdaq always respects these levels, guys. Oh yeah, and another thing, I almost forgot it. Almost forgot it. For the guys that do not understand the pin, the pips. So knowing from this point to this point, it's 100 points. It's 100 pips. From this point to this point, it's 100 pips. From this point to this point, it's 100 pips. Okay, I understand that. So your TP is always at the next level. You are either holding a long position or you are taking profits if you are short in the market. So in a bullish trend, after a breakout, you wait for a retest. Same goes for when you short in the market. Breakout, they broke out of this structure, they came back and retested. They retest this level, they retest this level, they retest the last time before dropping down to the next trade level. Retest, retest, retest. They retest this level a lot before breaking away from it. Hope you guys see what I mean. I hope you see what I mean. So now that you guys know these things, on a 1 hour chart, just to draw another trend line basically, we will look again for significant swing highs and significant swing lows. And remember, the more it connects to your trend line, the more confirmation you have, the more valid the trend line is. Always remember that. So currently Nasdaq they broke the highs, and what normally happens after highs are broken? They pull back. They pull back. So you're looking for it back to this trend line, yeah. So knowing this, you're looking for a pullback to either 15,550 to this trade level, yeah. You need to come and retest, or they will retest, yeah, before going down again. So hope you guys see it and hope you understand it. Hope you see it and hope you understand. And always remember 2 touch and 3 touch. You got our 1 touch, yeah, and you got our 2 touch, yeah. 1 3 touch and a breakup happens. Nasdaq falls Nasdaq falls rapidly, falls with fast moves. So once they break this trend line, I'll be looking for shorting positions at this trade level or at this trade level. Hope you guys see what I mean. Once they break, I'll repeat this, once they break this trend line, You wait for a retest at your previous support line or your previous resistance line. So this will be this trade level here. So they will come out, they will break, they will either retest this level or they will retest this level, depending in which zone they break out. Hope you guys see it. Hope you understand. Hope you understand it clearly. Okay, so when we drop down to a 15-minute time frame, just look at how they trade in these levels, guys. Just look how they trade in these levels. Oh my gosh, what am I doing again? So I hope you guys see it. Yeah, you can see a clear breakout. They break through two levels. They retrace and retest at the third, or at the last support line, basically. It'll be, yeah. So they come and retest, yeah, before continuing breaking out. So yeah, you could have added positions. 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 And taken profit. Just always remember to take profits, guys. And always remember they need to retest a broken structure. They always need to retest a broken structure. By me saying this is, you need to understand what the structure of the market is. So, yeah, you can see a clear structure. Come and retest, yeah, at this structure before the continuation. So you guys see it. Always take in consideration the fundamentals, guys. Any news related topics, any high impact events, guys. Nasdaq is very sensitive to this. Very, very sensitive. So currently, what is visible to us at the moment? Just zoom in here. So we can see a clear breakout from this level. They broke this level here. Never came back to retest. Do not trade this. We only trade breakouts and retest, guys. Breakouts and retest. So they broke out. Guys, now they're coming back to retest level. Back to retest. So we're waiting now for rejection. We're looking for shorting positions. So I'll be either shorting from this zone to this zone, or I'll be looking to place more buying entries if they come back to this price level here. Hope you guys see and hope you guys understand. Hope you guys see it and hope you guys understand it. Guys, if you do not understand anything, drop a comment on the comment section if you need more information about something. I will make sure to do a video on something that you guys do not understand in regards to this. Guys, this is a very powerful tool and powerful tip to understand. It's a key important thing to understand. Get familiar with this. I promise you'll never go wrong with Nasdaq again. You'll never go wrong with Nasdaq again. So fellow traders, that's all from me. Hope this content was helpful for you, and practice it. It's the only strategy you should be using for Nasdaq. It's trend lines, breakouts, and then these key trade levels that was shown. So guys, this is, like I said, this is the only way you should trade Nasdaq. This only applies for Nasdaq, guys. So if you find this content helpful and it is valuable, please hit the thumbs up. Make sure to share this information. Make sure to share it to friends and people. Help me to break the code on YouTube so that the content can go viral to help other traders. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified once new content gets uploaded. So yeah guys, that's all from me. Happy trading.